Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Paul and I'm checking in with you, sharing with you one of my favorite places in Clementi. Okay, this is linked by a sheltered link way all the way to Clementi MRT. And I'm sure you know by now that Clementi is going to be a cross island line station as well. So it's going to be an interchange station with greater connectivity. So as you know, Clementi's always been a very popular location on the Green Line, East-West Line, and with the Cross Island Line, wow, you can directly go to places like Ang Mo Kio or Hougang. So you can imagine, once the line is complete, you will find that Clementi is even more convenient than it already is now. Okay, so this is at block 334. Okay, what you see here is like a studio apartment. Okay, very cozy. Okay, so we start off by, so this is like the working area, so suitable for you to work from home. And I'll just show you from the windows. See, you actually get like greenery view, right? So it's very productive, very conducive. Okay, a treat for the eyes as well. Okay, so this is like the work area, and this is like your living room area. Okay, so you can chill out. Of course, you can continue to work on your laptop. You can watch TV, have your meals. Okay, and then we go over to this area. So definitely you get more than enough space. So looking for one single person. Okay, see, so everything is very nicely done up, and you have a lot more freedom to fill up, like to customize according to the way that you want. Like you want to add in, let's say, a little pantry. Okay, so you get your own little kitchenette as well. Okay, and it's unblock facing both sides. So this also faces out to the open. So when you open the windows, you definitely get a very nice breeze. Okay, you get a filter on the tap, and this is a brand new washing machine. So it's washer cum dryer, Toshiba, and also a brand new rain shower as well. Okay, so it's really shook. You can enjoy nice showers over here. Bathroom already being fully done up. Okay, so you get a 3-door wardrobe over here. Right, so you get privacy, of course. So you get a queen bed all to yourself over here. Yes, so this has always been snapped up once it's been open for rent, because of the location, and because this is a very unique layout, very spacious, and this block 334, you're surrounded by a lot of eating places, shops, well served by buses, and of course, like I mentioned, you are just a short link way away from Clementi MRT. So I'll release this for rent very, very soon. So stay tuned. I'll see you. Thank you.